Salesforce Data Cloud. In this lesson, let's walk you through full journey of how to use Data Cloud, from setting up things to taking actions using the data. Think of it as a big map that shows you where everything fits in. Salesforce Data Cloud. There are two major stages: getting data ready versus using it. To work with Data Cloud, everything falls under two big phases. One is organizing your data, and another is putting that data to work. Let's explore both of these in simple steps. Stage 1: getting the data in shape. Before you can actually use that data smartly, you need to get it ready. That includes bringing it in, organizing it, and connecting the dots. So, in step 1, how do you do it? Set up your system before anything else. You activate and configure your Data Cloud setup. This setup is about getting access and making sure everything is ready to collect and process data. Think of it like setting up a new app on your phone, giving permissions, creating logins, and connecting it to your tools. Now comes to step 2. Bring in your data. Next, you collect data from different places: your CRM, website, mobile apps, or cloud platform like Google or Amazon. Imagine you are pulling photos from different apps like WhatsApp, Drive, and Instagram into one album. Same idea, but with customer data. Now comes to step 3. Organize the information. Each data source may use its own format. This step is where you can clean and standardize data so it all fits into one clear layout. Like adjusting all class notes into one format: topic, date, page number, so they are easy to revise. Step 4. Match customer profiles. Something when customer appears multiple times in your system with different details. This step connects you to all this data into one single complete profile. It's like realizing LXR A Roberts and LXRAB@gmail.com are the same person and putting all their info together. Coming to stage 2, making smart use of this data. Now that the data is well organized, you use it to understand behavior, create groups, and take actions automatically. With everything connected, you can now analyze trends, behaviors, and performance, whether it's purchase, clicks, or just another action. Just like checking your fitness tracker to understand how many steps you took each day and what you can improve. With everything connected, you can now analyze. Step 6. Group people based on behavior. Now you can create smart customer group like people who bought last month, users who visited your site often, new customers in last 7 days. It's like making a different study groups for toppers, average learners, and those who need extra help. So you can approach your approach becomes more effective. Step 7. Take actions automatically. Based on those groups and insights, you can now send personalized emails, trigger offers or notifications, launch campaign based on their behavior. Think of how Amazon reminds you about a product left in your cart. That's smart action powered by good data. Let's come to the summary we have learned so far. There are 7 steps in complete Data Cloud journey. I'll start with one by one steps. Number 1, it's getting data ready. For that, you need to have system set up. You need to collect data, clean and format it, link everything to the right person. And second is using data. Make smart customer groups, take action at the right time. In the next video, we'll actually dive deeper into how data is brought into system, what tools are used, and how it works in real time. This is where the technical part begins. You don't need to worry, we'll keep it super easy. Thank you for your time.